Okay, just a minute, share my screen. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Adi Barda and I'm the creator of SsceneMax3D product, which brings coding to everyone. So I would like to start with the bottom line, and the bottom line is that we have a fully working product in production grade, which gets the job done and enables any kid to do real coding, program 3D video games from scratch up to the point of even selling it online. This is example of a student of mine, 9-year-old kid, which already sold his game in $9 on itch.io. The motivation is clear. We need to teach kids coding at younger ages. Countries already investing in that. They're putting money, and the market is quite big. But it's hard. It's hard for the kids, and it's hard for the teachers. The teachers need to be a real expert in order to teach real computer programming, and the kids, well, learning common coding languages is quite complex at the age of 10, which is our target audience. So how SsceneMax3D can help us in solving this problem? It's a platform made of 3 major components. First, we have a new programming language designed from scratch in kids in mind. And second, we have a simple development environment, very simple with very few options, so it's ready to go. And third, we have a strong communication component built inside the product, which is our virtual classrooms, good communication between the teacher and the kids. Let me show you a quick demo of the product. So this is SsceneMax3D in action, a unique programming language, very similar to English grammar, immediate results, simple development environment, very few options. You're ready to go. Everything is built in. The virtual classrooms, it's easy to find and fix students' coding issues in real time, real fast. And this is something unique, I think. You can program in any language, not just in English. You're not limited to English. You can program in Japanese, Arabic, Hebrew, etc. This is a working program in Hebrew. You can build your own grammar and teach your kids in their own native languages. You can mix C# coding. Everything is bound and decide. The graphics system, the audio system, the physics system, even the resources for the basic games. And you can create such amazing products, and kids can create such amazing products immediately, 3D games. So of course there is a competition outside like CodeMonkey, Scratch, Alice, Tinker, Minecraft, etc. All very good products, but we do it different. With our products, kids can produce real 3D games. They own their games. They can sell them online. They're using real coding, and it's very natural for them to move to the next level of programming in general purpose languages. The vision is that millions of kids all over the world will use our platform to learn coding. And what we have done in the last year, in the year that we exist, is that we have a B2B model. We have a contract with extended company that are doing a very nice, I think, proof of concept in Brazil and other countries like India, maybe Turkey, I don't remember exactly. We also have a Mamrim company in Israel, which hired 8 teachers, and they're continually delivering online courses, asynchronous courses in Udemy, and Ministry of Education bought one online course from us. So I think that's it for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Adi. Please stop sharing.
Yeah, just a minute.
I'd like to invite Nori Sawada, CMO at EduLab, to respond to your pitch.
Hey, thank you for your presentation. I really liked your presentation, especially, having my background coming from the Nintendo's education department, that was my past work. So I really like your presentation, and I truly believe in the power of games and, how it's immersive and intuitive. And I also like the way you combine the coding and the games, because kids love to create things that they can play with. And, there's no doubt that this is very sticky for all children. One question I have is, yes, you did focus on games to acquire, to give and provide children with coding techniques and coding skills. And also, but in gaming, there's another very important aspect, which is the game design. So my question is that, do you provide any curriculum or any of support for those game design approach?
Yes, the companies which deliver the courses, a very special part of the course, actually in the beginning of the courses, is how to design the game, talking about the game mechanics, how it will look like, all kinds of aspects in user input, etc. This is part of the curriculum, and this is part of the language. Everything is built inside the product. And yes, that's part of it, certainly.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Adi. Thank you, Nori. Next up